Hi, this is Anashram. Today let us analyze the stock Wellspun India. The stock has a potential to move higher to create a new all-time high. So it's good to take trade in this stock. So this is the monthly chart of the Wellspun India. So one can go long at current market price at nearly 92, and one can wait for the safe entry also. So let us analyze the stock on technical basis. In this monthly chart, the stock after listing was on the range for more than 10 years, and after 10 years it made a fantastic bull run of nearly 1600 percentage. And once it made a such bull run and it fell nearly 60 percentage of its bull run, and now the stock once again took its momentum, and now it's making higher high every month. So it's good to go along in the stock. And let me move to the weekly chart. In this weekly chart, the stock is above the major resistance level. Let me draw the resistance zone here. So this can be considered as the major resistance zone for the stock, and it also shows a pattern of the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let me draw it here. So this is the pattern hidden here. So one can expect the up move of dip of the head here. This head can be considered as the target for the stock, which is almost 74% upside from the current market price. So one can go long in the stock at current market price and can wait for a confirmatory entry. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price target in the stock. Before moving to the daily chart, I would like to recommend you to subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to make such videos on regular basis. And feel free to comment below, and if you like the video, hit like button and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So now let's move to the daily chart. In the daily chart it shows the same pattern here, but in the near term it shows a small consolidation, and the consolidation took a break here. Let me draw the major lines of consolidation and the retracement. So let me clear all this. So this can be taken as the consolidation zone. After a breakout it took a accumulation, so it's considered as a very powerful accumulation, because after a breakout from a pattern the stock never takes a consolidation. If it took a consolidation, that can be considered as the accumulation zone for the stock, and this can be taken as the accumulation zone for the stock, and it gave a perfect breakout here with good volume, more than average volume. And once it took a breakout and reached the 100 level, and it took a retracement to the support level, which is around 85, and now after hitting the support level the stock started moving upside. So going long at current market price is also advisable, and safer entry can be taken above the price of 104, which can be taken as the safer entry for the stock. So let me draw the fib extension tool to analyze the price target and entry for the stock. Entry can be taken at current market price also, but for safer entry one can take entry above the price range of 100. 100 can be taken as the good price range for the entry in the stock, and 114 can be taken as the first target for the stock, and 132 can be taken as the second target, which is just for swing trade. But for the long term trend, the stock can give a 100% return for its investors. So stay invested in the stocks and use the moving averages to trail your stop losses. Trailing stop losses will help you in making big returns from stock market. So taking entry at current market price and taking entry at 100 is both are favorable in the stock, and 114 can be taken as the first target, and 132 range can be taken as the second target, and 72% upside is the target recommended by the dip of the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So Wellspun India has a potential to move more than 100% upside from the current market price. Taking investment decisions is also fine in the stock. So one can consider investing in the stock after analyzing the various ratios before that define the company's financials. So going long in the stock is fine, and taking investments should be considered after the research made by you. So that's all for today. Hit subscribe button and hit a bell icon to receive the notifications of the videos published immediately, and one can join our telegram group so that you will get the informations regarding the stock market, and also there we will clear your doubts as soon as possible in the telegram channel. The link of the telegram channel is in the description box, and thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.